All right. So yesterday you guys learned how to compare decimals, right? And you learned that you start in the greatest place value. Well, today we're going to continue ordering numbers. Okay. Well, not really compare numbers, but order decimal numbers. But it's the same thing. Start in the greatest place value. So they give us four models. Okay. Take a look at this first one. These are tenths, and I know these are tenths because it's out of 10 in all. So in there, it's all the way sticks. They go all the way. Those are tenths. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 0 wholes and 6 tenths. Okay, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0 wholes and 7 tenths. And again, if you're questioning if this is tenths, put your 1 under the decimal with the trailing 0. Those are tenths. Okay, now take a look. See, these are itty bitty parts. That's out of 100. So this is still 0 wholes and, well, I'm going to first look at the tenths because that's the stick that goes all the way down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. So that's 75 hundredths, again, because it's out of 100. And this is 0 wholes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 65. All right. So just like yesterday, we're going to use a place value chart to compare. So I have 0 wholes and 6 tenths. I have 0 wholes and 7 tenths. I have 0 wholes and 75 hundredths. And I have 0 wholes and 65 hundredths. Now, I'm going to introduce you to what I call is the phantom zero. Okay. And this 6 tenths is equivalent to 60 hundredths. So I use that phantom zero there just to keep that place value. I'm going to also use a phantom zero here just to keep the place value, because guess what 7 tenths is equal to? 70 hundredths. Kind of cool, right? All right, now we're going to start ordering by the greatest place value. Well, if you notice, they all have 0 wholes, so no whole numbers. Then I have a 6, 7, 7 is 6. Well, we're starting from the greatest, and we're going to the least number. So, of course, I want to look at my 6s or my 7. I'm going to look at my 7, right? So this one has 70 and this one is 75. What is my greatest? 75. So 0 wholes and 75 hundredths. Or you could even say 75 cents, right? So I'm going to put a little line going through that one's done. So I have 0 wholes and 70 hundredths. That one's done. Okay, and now I have a 6 tenths. So that one's 60. And here's another 6 in the tenths, and that one's 65. What would be the greatest? Well, 65 is greater than 60. So 0 wholes and 65 hundredths, and then 0 wholes and 60 hundredths. Now, you can use that zero there, that phantom zero, or it doesn't really matter if you use it or not, because it's the same thing. It's equivalent. So there we go. All right. So that's using place value to order our numbers.